Hello students, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon. Please share my videos with your friends and please like and leave your comments also in the comment box given below. In today's video we are going to know the facts about fee reimbursement. So what are the conditions for fee reimbursement? So how to avail the fees, okay, fee reimbursement for MSET, FSET 2021, TS MSET and AP FSET. Almost same rules are there. First of all, you must have income certificate. So income certificate issued on or after 1st January 2021. 1st January 2021, on or after it should be issued. And BC, EBC, now it is called EWS, economically weaker section, and minority annual income should be less than 1,50,000. For SC ST 2 lakh, it is a cutoff, okay. So that is the maximum 2 lakh, below 2 lakh only, okay. So annual income. So government employees, if your parents are mother or father government employee, you are not eligible, okay, you are not eligible. So you must be ready with your income certificate, caste certificate, so before your counseling starts only. So please take care of all these testimonials, all these certificates. Now let us get into the video now. If you get below 10,000 rank, so below 10,000 rank, full fee reimbursement is there. No fee, nothing. If any building fee, any maintenance fee is there, that only nominal fee you have to pay, okay. So below 10,000, so please try to get below 10,000 rank. That is very useful to you, okay. Next, suppose if you score above 10,000 rank, so these are the categories here. So convener quota only, through convener quota only, not NRI and others, okay. For BC and EBC, it is called EWS. You will get for all these conditions income certificate is a must. Please remember, income certificate is must. And BC EWS 35,000 partial amount you will get. For example, if your college fee, annual fees, tuition fee is 1 lakh, 35k only you will be getting. Remaining 65k you have to pay. First year they won't ask, second year they won't ask, third year, final year they won't ask. At the last moment, while collecting your certificates, TC, then they will ask, okay. Yes, please take care of it. For SC ST, full fee reimbursement, provided they have income certificate, irrespective of the rank, full fee reimbursement. For a minority also, full fee reimbursement, okay. Income certificate is must, full fee reimbursement is there. Full fee will be paid by the government, okay, irrespective of the rank. Suppose many students don't know about this. Students, those who have studied in government junior colleges, if they have income certificate, irrespective of the rank, full fee reimbursement is there. So many people don't know. So this year students realized the fact. That's why in TS almost 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh admissions have been done in government junior colleges. In 405 junior colleges, admissions, they have crossed 1 lakh mark. So they realized the benefits of joining junior colleges, government junior colleges, okay. Online classes are going on and they can attend online classes of any other college also, like that. So technology we can use. Anyhow, we are going to have online only at least half of the year, then why should we waste our money? In this way also, many students are preferring government junior colleges these days in this pandemic situation. For example, if your college fee is only 18,000, less than 35,000 partial amount, okay. So you will be getting 35,000. So remaining 17,000, will they give it to your hand? No. If your college fee is less than 35, so that amount only it will be released, okay. So 35 won't be released. 18 means 18 only, 20 means 20 only, that will be released, okay. Partial amount means 35, okay. But if the college fee is less than 35, that fees only it will be released. 35 won't be released, okay. Doubt has been cleared. Okay, in this way we can avail the fee reimbursement of EAMCET and EBSET. Okay students, please get ready with your certificates, all the required documents. Visit the official website. So before the counseling starts, 30th onwards here in TS, 30th onwards it is going to start, and in another 1 week EBSET exam is going to be held in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, right, do well. Please try to score maximum marks in chemistry. So chemistry you have to score at least 35 out of 40. So 35 in chemistry, and physics minimum 20, mathematics, botany, zoology 20. Okay, so in this way if you score 75, so 75% means here 70 to 75 means, okay, you will be on safe side. Then only you will be on safe side, right? Okay students, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. We meet again very soon with the latest updates. So regarding EAMCET counseling also and EAMCET doubts, already I made one video in English. Now I am going to make another video in Telugu very soon, today or tomorrow. Please keep watching my videos for latest updates in TS. So we are waiting for the CM's decision regarding reopening of the schools and colleges. Okay, CM will be making an announcement today definitely. So they are planning to open the schools and colleges from 1st September onwards. Okay, in AP, so the petition is there, court case is there. In spite of that also, government is planning to open from 16th onwards. So we have to wait for the court instructions. So I will get back to you with the latest updates. Please keep watching my videos, and I request all of you to share my videos with your friends, and very soon we will be having live session also. So please join the live session. Whenever, one day before, I am giving intimation also. I am posting the news also. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to them also, right? So all the best, all the very best. So take care of yourselves. Please take care of yourselves. Please wear the mask. Keep washing your hands continuously, regularly. Maintain social distance. Avoid gatherings. Avoid traveling as much as possible. If it is compulsory, then only. Otherwise, please avoid traveling. Avoid huge gatherings these days. Avoid functions, attending functions. Okay, massive gatherings, no. Right. So thank you very much for watching my videos. We meet again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.